Good morning, students. Today I will continue the chapter Tangent Normal. This is our 7th lecture. Today I will discuss some miscellaneous concepts and based on miscellaneous question. The first one is find all the tangents to the curve y equal to cos x plus y, where x lying between minus 2 pi to 2 pi, that are parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 0. Curve is, if we take a general point xy, here demand of the question is we have to find equation of tangents that are parallel to given line x plus 2y equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 1 by 2x, slope equal to minus 1 by 2. These two are parallels. First of all, we find slope of this tangent. For this, we differentiate the given curve. Here given curve is y equal to cos of x plus y, dy by dx equal to minus sine of x plus y, and again x plus y with respect to x, 1 plus dy by dx. Shifting term containing dy by dx in LHS, 1 plus sine x plus y dy by dx equal to minus of sine x plus y. Therefore, dy by dx equal minus sine x plus y upon 1 plus sine x plus y. If we take here general point pxy, so value of dy by dx at pxy equal to minus x sine x plus y upon 1 plus sine x plus y. Slope of tangent according to question, this is equal to minus 1 by 2. From here, 2 sine x plus y equal to 1 plus sine x plus y. Therefore, sine x plus y equal to 1. Here given curve, be assuming it equation 1 and this is equation 2. Sin theta 1, so cos theta equal to 0. So therefore, cos of x plus y equal to 0, equation 3. Using 3 in 1, we put cos x plus y 0, so y will be 0. For this y equal to 0, above two equation 2 and 3 reduces to sin x equal to 1 and cos x equal to 0. This is these two simultaneous equation. Values of x satisfying these two equation must be in given limitation minus 2 pi to 2 pi. We know sin x is 1 at this end and cos x is 0 at both end. This end is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, again 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 is greater than, our limitation is minus 2 pi to 2 pi, 0, minus pi plus pi, here minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. If we move in clockwise sense, this is minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, minus 5 pi by 2, left of minus 2 pi. Here sin x equal to 1, cos x equal to 0. Clearly x equal to pi by 2 and minus 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 and minus 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 and minus 3 pi by 2 will be selected, for which these two equations are satisfied. Therefore, points of contact are first pi by 2 0 and second minus 3 pi by 2 0. Therefore, equation of tangents for point pi by 2 0, y minus y1, slope minus half x minus x1 pi by 2 minus 2x minus pi divided by 4. So 4y plus 2x equal to pi. This implies x plus 2y equal to pi by 2. For the point minus 3 pi by 2 0, y minus y1, m into x minus x1 3 pi by 2, 4y plus 2x equal to minus 3 pi. Therefore, x plus 2y equal to minus 3 pi by 2. So, two tangents are possible and corresponding point of contacts are pi by 2 0 and minus 3 pi by 2 0. The second question is, find the equation of all possible normal to the parabola x square equal to 4y drawn from the point 1 2. Here given curve is x square equal to 4y. We know this is the equation of parabola y x square equal to 4y. Obviously 1 2, 1 square equal to 4 into 2 8. Obviously this point does not lie on the curve, that is, this is external point. We have to find all possible normal from this external point to the parabola x square equal to 4y. First of all, we see the location of this point. For this, x square minus 4y equal to 0. Assuming the left expression x square minus 4y by fxy. For the point 1 2, 1 square minus 4 into 8, 1 minus 8 minus 7 less than 0. This is less than 0. So, point 1 2 lies inside the parabola. If this expression will be greater than 0, in such case the point will be outside. Here fxy less than 0, so point is inside the given parabola x square equal to 4y. We take anywhere inside, obviously both are positive, so in first quadrant let we have to find all possible normals from this point. We consider a normal at first, taking this point A, this point or P, N. Obviously, and this is tangent here. We have to find equation of this Pn. Here n is the foot of perpendicular. Assuming the foot of perpendicular BHK. First of all, we differentiate it 2x 4 dy by dx, therefore dy by dx equal to x upon 2 dy by dx at n hk, obviously h upon 2. This is the slope of tangent at foot of perpendicular hk. From coordinate geometry, slope of Pn equal k minus 2 difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate h minus 1. Slope of normal y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Here h by 2 is the slope of tangent at point n. H by 2 slope is this nt. So slope of Pn will be its negative reciprocal minus 2 by h, clearly minus 2 by h. Kh minus 2h minus 2h plus 2. This implies Kh equal to 2. We have to find first here foot of perpendicular. Since hk lies on the curve, since point hk lies on the curve x square equal to 4y, so h square equal to 4k. We want to use this relation multiplying both sides by h, hq equal to 4hk, replacing hk by 2, 4 into 2 8. So h equal to cube root of 8, that is 2. H equal to 2. When h equal to 2, so 2 square 4 equal to 4k, k equal to 1. So point n is 2, 1. Therefore, equation of normal y minus y1. Here slope of normal is minus 2 by h, here h equal to 2, that is minus 1, and x minus y minus x minus y minus y1 m into x minus x1 n x minus 2. So x plus y minus x, x plus y equal to, and this one added becomes 3. So only one normal, x plus y equal to 3. So required equation of normal is x plus y equal to 3. The next one is from point 1 1 tangents are drawn to the curve represented parametrically. Here given curve x equal to 2t minus t square and y equal to t plus t square, represented in parametric form. Assuming this together represent this curve and 1 1 is an external point. So from external point 1 1 tangents are drawn. Find possible point of contact. Assuming 1 1 is an external point and we draw a tangent to the curve. If this tangent meet at point P, then P be the required point of contact. We have to coordinate of this point P. Here given curve in parametric form, we know if we take these two in ordered pair, we say it point T, means ordered pair 2t minus t square and t plus t square. Any point P on the curve may be 2t square, 2t minus t square, t plus t square. We say it point P. First of all, we differentiate dy by dx. We know differential coefficient for parametric form. This is dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt 1 plus 2t upon dx by dt 2 minus 2t. So dy by dx at point P equal to 1 plus 2t upon 2 minus 2t. This is the slope of tangent at point P through given point 1 1. Let it be Q. Therefore, equation of tangent y minus y1. Here coordinate of point P, t plus t square, m means 1 plus 2t upon 2 minus 2t and x minus x1. X minus x1, 2t minus t square. This is the equation of tangent PQ. Since it passes through point Q11, so replace x by 1 and y by 1. So 1 minus t plus t square equal 1 plus 2t upon 2 minus 2t 1 minus 2t minus t square. 2 minus 2t minus t plus t square into 2 minus 2t equal 1 plus 2t minus 1 plus 2t into 2t minus t square. Now B 2 minus 2t minus 2t minus 2t square 2t minus 2t square plus 2t square minus 2t cube equal 1 plus 2t minus 2t minus t square plus 4t square minus 2t cube. Here minus 2t square plus 2t square 2 minus 4t 2 minus 4t and plus 2tq equal here minus 2t plus 2t equal 1. This is plus 3t square. So minus 3t square and plus 2tq plus 2tq, cancelling this 2, we have 3t square minus 4t plus 2 equal to 0. 3t square minus 4t, 2 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 3t square minus 3t minus t plus 1 equal to 0. 3t t minus 1 minus 1t minus 1 equal to 0. T minus 1 and 3t minus 1 equal to 0. T equal to 1 and 1 by 3. So possible points are, for t equal to 1 we put t equal to 1 this in this ordered pair, 2 minus 1 1 and 2. Possible points are first 1 2 for t equal to 1 and second for 1 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 9 and 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9, that is here 9, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 1 5 by 9, 9, 3 plus 1 4 by 9. So 2 points are possible here, point of contact. First one is ordered pair 1 2 and second one is 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. The next one is the coordinate of point on the curve y square equal to 8x whose distance from the circle is minimum. Coordinate of point on the curve. Here two curves, given curves are y square equal to 8x, that is parabola, and second one is x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. Here distance between two curves is minimum. Distance between two curves is minimum means here we take a term shortest distance. Shortest distance SD. Shortest distance between two curves, two given curves, always occur along common normal. Here if we have two curves, this and this, shortest distance between two curves means always lies along common normal. Common normal means here this is tangent, this is tangent, this is common normal. Shortest distance between two curves always lies along common normal. Obviously these two tangents will be parallel. Here given curves y square equal to 8x, first curve, and second one x square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 1. We have to take a point on this curve which are at a shorter distance from this circle. This is the curve y square equal to 8x. Here 4a equal to 8, a equal to 2. So any point at square to at, we know any point in parametric form of parabola y square equal to 4ax is at square to at for a equal to 2t square 4t. We can take any point on this curve in the form 2t square 4t where t is a parameter. X square y plus 6, that is x minus 0 whole square y minus of minus 6 whole square equal to 1 square. Equation of circle centered at 0 minus 6 and radius 1. Here circle is center 0 minus 6 and radius is 1 unit. We have to find point on parabola which is nearest to the circle. Let the point be at P, assuming the coordinate 2t square 4t. We can take any point on the parabola 2t square 4t. This is tangent. From this point there are so many distances. The shortest one will be along normal, and this normal is common to both the curve. Clearly we know normal at any point to the circle must pass through center of the circle. So normal at point P necessarily normal at point Q to the curve. This is common normal on two curve, and then this will be shortest. Normal on circle means this must pass through center of the circle. So here the direction is, first of all we find dy by dx of this curve at point P. This will give slope of this. Take its negative reciprocal, will give slope of this normal line. We find equation of normal at this point, and this normal line pass through the origin. Putting the value of 0 minus 6, coordinate of 0 minus 6 in equation of normal, we get point T, and for the value of point T we get all possible points on coordinate of required points. So first of all we differentiate 1 with respect to x. 2y dy by dx equal to 8. So dy by dx equal to 8 upon 2y, 4 upon y. So dy by dx at point P, 4 upon y. Here y coordinate of point P 4t, so 1 by t. This is slope of tangent, slope of PT. Therefore slope of normal at point P equal its negative reciprocal minus t. Therefore equation of normal at point P 2t square 4t y minus y1 m into x minus x1 2t square. Since this normal passes through line 3 normal 3, since equation of normal 3 passes through center of circle 0 minus 6, therefore minus 6 minus 4t equal to minus t 0 minus 2t square. This will give 2t cube minus 4t minus 6, 2t cube plus 4t plus 6 equal to 0, and t cube plus 2t plus 3 equal to 0. By inspection, here we have a cubic equation in variable t. By inspection, clearly t equal to minus 1, for t equal to minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So t equal to minus 1 satisfies this equation. Hence t plus 1 will be a factor. So we construct t plus 1 in each term, t cube plus t square minus t square minus t plus 1, minus t square is managed plus t square minus t square. Here minus t we have to equate to 2t, so we write here 3t, we taking 3 common, t plus 1, 3t plus 3. This expression and this expression is equivalent. So t square minus t plus 3 into t plus 1 equal to 0. Here discriminant of this quadratic expression less than 0, so no real value of t corresponding to this quadratic factor. This, so t plus 1 equal to 0 only, so t equal to minus 1. For t equal to minus 1, required point P will be t equal to minus 1 to minus 4. This is the required point. In objective, if we take a result from coordinate geometry, y square equal to 4ax, any point on this curve at square 2at, we know equation of normal in parametric form, y equal to minus tx plus 2at plus at cube. If we write a direct equation of normal in parametric form for y square equal to 8x, for y square equal to 4ax, equation of normal in parametric form is y equal to minus tx plus 2at plus at cube. In y square equal to 8x, a equal to 2, if we put a equal to 2, y equal to minus tx plus 4t plus 2t cube. Here y minus 4t minus tx plus 2t cube equivalent to equation number 3. We can save our time by using this result. The next question is, find the point on the curve 3x square minus 4y square equal to 72 which is nearest to the line. Like previous question, we have to find point on this curve which is at a shortest distance from the given line. Here given curves are 3x square minus 4y square equal to 72. We know this is the equation of hyperbola x square upon 24 minus y square upon 18 equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Given line is 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, that is x upon minus 1 by 3, y upon minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. Here line is intercept on x axis minus 1 by 3, on y axis minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2, 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. We have to find point on hyperbola which is at a shortest distance. Obviously, shortest distance between two curves always lie along common normal. Always lie along common normal. If we take any point PHK on the hyperbola, the working process will be the exactly same like previous question. We take any point PHK on hyperbola, we differentiate equation of hyperbola, find slope of tangent from this, slope of tangent from this, slope of normal, and this normal again normal to this, perpendicular to this line, and this will be the shortest distance. The working process is here exactly similar to previous question. We differentiating first with respect to 1, 6x minus 8y dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to 6x upon 8y, 3x upon 4y. If we take any point PHK on the hyperbola, so 3h by 4k, slope of tangent at PHK. Therefore, slope of normal at PHK equal to minus 4k upon 3h, minus 4k upon 3h. Here slope of this line minus 3 by 2. Slope of this line is minus 3 by 2. So slope of perpendicular will be its negative reciprocal 2 by 3. Clearly, slope of normal minus 4k by 3h, slope of, if this point PHK, this is tangent, obviously shortest distance clearly among common normal. So this is perpendicular to this line. Slope of this line is minus 3 by 2. So slope of this line is its negative reciprocal 2 by 3. Here slope of normal is minus 4k by 3h equal to 2 by 3. We cancelling 3 3 2 2, this will give h equal to minus 2k. अब as PHK lies on the hyperbola, so 3h square minus 4k square 72, 3h square here 3 into 4k square minus 4k square 72, 12 minus 4 8k square 72, k square equal to 9 and k equal to plus minus 3. When k equal to 3, h equal to minus 6, so point is minus 6 3. When k equal to minus 3, h equal to 6, so point is 6 minus 3. Here one point in second quadrant and second one is fourth quadrant. Now coordinate of HK, one is 6 minus 3 and second say it P dash minus 6 3. Minus 6 3. Minus 6 3. P dash. Clearly we find this perpendicular length, this perpendicular length, and the smallest of these two lengths will be the shortest distance. If foot of perpendicular n and here n dash Pn, perpendicular distance from this point on this line from coordinate geometry, 3 into 6 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 mod divided by 3 square plus 2 square under root 18 plus 1 19, 19 minus 6 13 divided by under root 13, that is 13 units. And for second point Pn dash minus 6 3, 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18 plus 6 plus 1 upon under root 13, 7, 18 minus 7, 11 upon under root 13, Pn dash. Clearly the two distances, out of two distances 13 unit and 11 upon under root 13 unit, the smallest one is 11 upon under root 13. This is the shortest distance. So answer is 11 upon under root 13. In previous question, shortest distance between two curves, one is parabola and other is circle. Here shortest distance is two curves, one is hyperbola and another one is a straight line. That's it.